Well, these were the sawhorses that the Beetle were standing on. They were actually tall enough to go over my lawnmower. That was kind of the whole point, take up one parking spot here on my driveway, where over the winter I could store the lawnmower and the Beetle. The problem is we had tornado force winds last night, and as you can see, the Beetle is no longer on top of the sawhorses, and this is where it was. So let's go find out where it ended up. This is my front yard, and here's the Beetle. It appears to have been blown over, and I believe it did one somersault, and it ended up upright here in my front yard. At first glance, everything seems okay, but when you take a little bit closer look, you can see this whole rear corner here is just pushed right in, and it's pretty severe. You can see where the sheet metal's flattened out all along here. I'm sure it's rebuildable. I just don't know what it's done to, like, the squareness and everything of the rest of the body. The only other thing I've been able to find so far is right here. It looks like it landed on something when it rolled, and it dented in the little gutter along the door line here. I don't think that's going to be too big of a deal to get out. I'm just amazed that it rolled over on its top and didn't dent in the top, the roof at all. I just have the usual Bondo rust cracking thing, which was here already. So the reason this happened mostly is because where I was storing this body was in a temporary location, and I was hoping that by this time of year, please excuse the wind, I was hoping that by this time of year I would have the body up on its sawhorses inside the shop and I would be doing body work. But I have not made as much progress over the winter as I had hoped, and so we're here. I will follow up this video with a progress video on what I've been doing to the chassis, but now I have to figure out how to get this somewhere safe, and at least the one silver lining for now is I get to ignore this until it actually comes time to work on it. But I'm afraid that this rear corner here is really going to be, I don't know how to do body work anyway. I was going to learn on this, and this is going to be a pretty big challenge for me. So anyway, any advice, well wishes, encouragement, anything, greatly received. Right about now I'm a little discouraged. But thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you next time.